on my baby. Don't care about no wife for my baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Q&A and taking out my braids. So I'm going to be answering questions that you guys asked me while I'm taking out my braids. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So while I'm answering questions and stuff, I'm going to be eating food and stuff. So in the back of my hair, I had curls in my hair. I had like puffy curls, but my mom took that out already because it was thread, so she had to take it out for me. So I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail so I can do the back. But the first question is, what's your dream car? So my dream car is a G-Wagon. Whenever year I get a car, that's gonna be the year I want. G-Wagon, rose gold, and with stars on top of it. So where did you get your inspiration of doing YouTube? Where did your inspiration from YouTube come from? I started doing YouTube because I just wanted to just do it. And my sister already had her channel, so I was just like, I might as well make one too since I was in a lot of her videos. What will you do for Valentine's Day? And I don't understand that question. What's your dream car? I already answered that. What's your favorite color? Purple and sky blue. What's your favorite food? I don't have a favorite food, but I just eat everything if it's good. What's your favorite game? I don't have a favorite game, but I play Fortnite a lot sometimes, but I'm already like on the thing, so yeah, I play that sometimes. What's your favorite drink? I don't have a favorite drink such as like juice and stuff. My favorite soda is Fanta and Sprite. What's your favorite song? I don't have a favorite song. I have a favorite rapper though, which is Pop Smoke, Lil Durk, and Lil Baby. Where's the braid at? What do you like to do for fun? Also, you're very pretty. Thank you. And I like to make TikToks, watch Netflix, or watch YouTube. How old are you? I'm 14 years old. I'll be 15 May 24th. And how did I become big on YouTube? My sister already had a big following, so like after I've been in her videos and like everybody found out my channel, everybody just like came to like my channel, I guess, because she was already big on YouTube. So that's how I'm not big, but I'm like well known, I guess. What's one thing you never told your mom? I don't have anything. If I did, I wouldn't say it because she's gonna watch this video. So, who's your favorite singer? Janae. I can't pronounce it. Janae something. And Summer Walker. You look good. You're beautiful. Thank you. What kind of music do you listen to? I only listen to rap. Like I said, Pop Smoke, Lil Baby, Lil Durk, Lil Shay sometimes, A Boogie, K-Flock, Chef G, Polo G, Moneybag, Rod Wave when I watch Drake. Why is he right? rap music, basically. And do you like someone? No. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. What's your favorite cousin and friend name? My favorite cousin? My favorite cousin is the girl which I see in most of my TikToks and the shorts. Before let's go on. Have you ever been to New York? Yes, that's where I'm from. I'm from New York, so I've been there all the time. What's your favorite color? Sky blue. Sky blue and purple. Who do you hate? I don't hate nobody. I don't hate them, but these 2 girls, no. 3. These 3 girls in my school. Yeah. Do you like doing videos with your sister? Sometimes, depends on what video it is. How old are you? I'm 14. Do you have a bad grade? Yes, I do. I have a bad grade in tech and film because I'm passing. So I have language arts, math, this health science thing, and I have 4 classes because I'm in 9th grade. So I have this health science, tech and film, math, and language arts. And I'm passing every class except for that tech and film. I have I'm not gonna say it, but I have a bad grade in that class because we have to like record videos and edit them and like on these computers. It's hard, so I don't even think. I just don't do the work. It's not like academic class. It's a like connections, not connections, but elective. So I don't really care about that class. What do you like to eat? Anything, unless it's good. What's your dream job? My dream job is a doctor. I'm gonna be a doctor, the one that delivers babies. Do you love your little sister? Obviously. What question is that? Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Yeah, I do have one. I don't know if you guys saw him. The light-skinned boy that was in 2 of my TikToks. Yeah, I saw a TikTok when he was outside, and the other one when he was in school and gym. But yeah, if you didn't, oh well. But we're our friend. What's your middle name? Akina. Oh, where's the braid? What's your zodiac sign? I'm a Gemini. What iPhone do you have? I have the 11. Who's your crush? I don't have a crush. You can see my boyfriend, I guess. What are all your siblings' names? Hold on. Neilani and Nassim, but I know him as Prince. I'm gonna take out some more of my braids. I'm gonna take out the back of my braids. And I'll come back to you when I'm to the front because this is gonna take a long time if I keep going. So I'll be back. I'll finish the back. Guys, I just finished the back of my hair. So now I just have like these braids left. So I'm gonna answer a few more questions. Why is my hair doing that? So I'm gonna answer some more questions and then go to the front. How you ever met someone famous? No. So guys, this is the next day. I didn't finish recording yesterday because it was like 11:30 or 11 something, and I finished as soon as I took out the last braid. I went to bed. So this is how my hair looks. I took everything out. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any other videos you want me to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I should put some ice on my back.